Hello everyone, how to add Google search engine in Chrome browser. So let's start. First open your Chrome browser and go to the right hand side and click on the three dot and scroll down, and here click on the second last option, settings. And here you can see your Chrome browser setting is open. Go to the left hand side and click on the search engine option, and here in search engine click on the manage search engines and site search. And here you see, just scroll down and you can add here your search engine. Just click on the add and you can see the one dialog box is open, add site search. So here I type Wikipedia. Okay, then you can add here the shortcut also. So I add here the same name, and I open my notepad here to copy the URL of Wikipedia, and here I paste. You can see here something mentioned URL with percentage as in place of query. So after this URL, I add the percentage and small s. Okay, and click on the add. And here you can see your Wikipedia search engine added. Just click on the three dot and click on the make default. And here you can see Wikipedia default search engine set. After that, I just add here the new tab, and in new tab you can see in search engine the Wikipedia logo here showing. Now I search here, just type here history and press the enter, and you can see the Wikipedia is open. So that's it. This is a way you can add search engine in Chrome. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.